Today, I'm going to show you how to create a bill in QuickBooks Online. A bill is used when a vendor or supplier gives you an invoice and you need to record money your business owes. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Then select Bill. This opens the bill form. At the top, choose the vendor. If the vendor is not already saved, click Add New and create the vendor. Next, enter the bill date. Use the date shown on the vendor's invoice. Then choose the payment terms, such as due on receipt, net 15, or net 30. QuickBooks may use the terms to calculate the due date automatically. Now, enter the due date if it does not fill in by itself. Next, enter the bill number, exactly as it appears on the vendor invoice. This helps you avoid duplicates and makes the bill easier to find later. Now, go to the Category Details section. Choose the expense category that matches what the bill is for, such as utilities, office supplies, repairs, rent, or subcontractors. Enter a short description if needed. Then, enter the amount from the vendor invoice. If the bill includes different types of expenses, add more category lines and split the amount. If the bill is connected to a customer or project, choose the customer in the customer field. This can help with job costing or tracking billable expenses. You can also use the Item Details section if the bill is for products, inventory, or services you track in QuickBooks. Before saving, review the vendor, bill date, due date, bill number, bill category, amount, and total. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. If you want to schedule the payment now, choose Save and Schedule Payment if that option is available. And that's how to create a bill in QuickBooks Online in 2026.